Hi, me again, Rachel from Well and Calm Studios. So I have bought another microphone, and this is a lapel mic, also known as a lavalier mic. And I just wanted to do another unboxing because I love unboxings. So here we go. I got it at smile.amazon.co.uk. I support the charity of Save the Rhinos because my cat is named Rhino. And I think you should save them, the actual rhinos as well, but it's for her namesake. So I just feel like everything I buy, like a little bit goes to charity, and I'm like, oh, well, it's a little bit better than not going to charity, right? So if you haven't checked out smile.amazon.co.uk, then maybe try that. I don't have any affiliate links right now, but I'm sure I will later. So here is the box. It's just like a normal one. Here is the box that came in. So pretty small, and definitely Kalawen. You know, it's just some sort of one from probably Asia somewhere that they rebranded from, like, it's probably from like AliExpress or something. Anyway, wow, I like this pack. Look at this. So there's a little instruction manual. And just shows you everything that's within the pack. So let's look at the pack. So this is like a pleather type feeling. It's kind of nice though. So I have my double cord. So this will do 2 microphones at once into my laptop or my computer. Sorry, my laptop or my phone. And then looks like there's some for like alternative stereo. Oh, sorry, I dropped it. Okay, so there's this one, there's this one, and then there's just the normal where is it? This one. So this one is a double, and this is going to hook into my phone one. So this one just came from Apple, right? So my phone's right there. Let's actually test it out. So I will plug the microphone in now and see if it works, how different it is. So, and then I'll go through the rest of it. Ooh, okay. Don't need the extra one. So I'm plugging it into my Lightning converter so that I can plug it into my iPhone. I'm plugging this in now. Let's see if it changes. Testing. I hope it's changed a little bit. So just going to clip it to my lapel. The clip is a little, oh my gosh. It was just like not used yet, so I need to break it in a bit probably. I'm gonna just clip it to my lapel, pull it out a little bit. Whoopsies. Okay, so now we have the microphone on. So don't want it to have any interference, so I might put it over here because I don't want it to be on the little thing. Okay, now hopefully this has plugged in. If not, I'll do another video. I'm sure I'll do loads of videos of these. Why I bought this one was it was $15.99, down from $19.99. I swear when I clicked on it, it was $19.99. And then the other ones for just one microphone was like $11.99. So I was like, okay, well, it's not too much more, and you get 2 microphones. So I will be using these for podcasting. I will be using these for interviewing, more person-to-person stuff when we can hang out a little bit more together. And it also comes with 1 extension cord, so you can extend it for 1 person. And it comes with 2 extra extra, they're the same size. So these just look like they're extra ones. They're not necessarily the wind muffer ones, which are those fun ones that look like a bit of a foxtail on you. Okay, well, I'm going to pack this all back up and look at this video and see how the recording actually turned out. So once again, my name is Rachel Harrington, and this has been a Well and Calm Studios production. We went over the unboxing of the Kalawen professional lavalier microphone, and there's 2 in the pack. See you soon. Bye.